Hey guys, how are you all? I'm Richa Arora and I welcome you all to my new venture called Oh My Nails. This is the upcoming nail art studio in Agra, and right now freelancing has been started. So friends, most of my customers, most of my nail friends who love to treat their nails have been asking if it's safe right now in this pandemic session to get their nails done. Friends, let me tell you something. When you come to Oh My Nails, everything is completely and properly sanitized. There is nothing which is unsafe over here, because it is not just only my safety, it is my client's safety as well in my hands. So let me show you some of the stuff that I use, which is completely sanitized and properly packed and everything when it comes to nails. Let me first show you some of the bags. See, as you can see, these bags, I have ample of them. There are many of the bags that I have over here. All these bags, they contain different sorts of nail paints, nail arts. One more we have over here. See, so in these bags there is nothing which is unsafe, right? These bags are completely sanitized. I sanitize them every day. After every use I do. They have proper nail paints, branded nail paints. These all are gel nail paints that we use for nail art purpose. When it comes to the tips, see, we have two different types of tips: French tips and natural tips. Completely safe, secure, completely sealed in completely sanitized boxes. See, there are different pouches in which you can get. These all are my products that I use, obviously. So I'm just making this video to show you how proper and how clean and sanitized all these products are. They are untouched by any other person but me. Here are my best friends when it comes to nail art. My brush kits, as you can see, again completely safe and secure. All the products that I use, they all are completely sealed packed in different sort of bags, these kind of bags, right? These bags have all the nail art products that I use. You'll get many and ample of them. See, they all are completely sealed, they all are completely packed. There's nothing that you have to worry about your safety when it comes to Oh My Nails. And who does not love glitters, right? Here is the glitter box. You'll have all the different kinds of glitters. You can see there are ample of glitters, ample of colors and everything which is over there. When it comes to rubbing, sponging, you don't have to worry about them as well. There are no usual messes of cotton. You'll find cotton bags, you'll find gauze. When it comes to Oh My Nails, there is no such thing that is not properly organized. Now let's come up to different types of nail arts that we do in Oh My Nails, right? Here I can show you some of the samples. See, these all are brush arts, studs. See, as you can see, this is the stud over here. These are brush arts, leopard designs, again studs, brush arts. So see, nail art is something which is endless. See, whatever you design come up with. So this one is one of my favorites. It's neon, it glows in the dark, and I really love that, you know. For those who love glitters, we have glitters, we have galaxy nails, we have cat eyes. Guys, cat eyes is very much in trend, it's very much in fashion. Be sure to try them out. So whatever you people start, right? Bubble arts here. This is one of the design of bubble arts, right? People usually get it done during the holy season, okay? And those who are, you know, a bit creative on their nails, marble arts. I really love these marble arts. See, it has that emerald effect in it, as you can see, right? We have one more design in marble arts of a different shade. See these. These really look very good when it comes to your nails. Just get any shape done on your nails, be it coffin, be it almond, and trust me, this rocks, right? You might have seen this design on your couch. This is the leatherite design that we do. So guys, when it comes to Oh My Nails, you will get ample and ample of options. You will get different kinds of nail pens, see, as you can see there. And trust me, you can do a lot with them, a lot, right? You can go for jelly nails, you can go for glitter nails, you can go for matte nails, you can go for glowy, you can go for shiny coats, whatever you want, we have it here. Plus, this is the offer that I'm going to give to my first 50 customers in Agra. Whatever services you avail, you will be getting 10% off on all the services. Guys, 10% is a big amount, trust me, when it comes to nail art. Also, apart from that, the charges, they are very nominal. Make sure you try them once, make sure you like them. Go ahead, pamper your nails, give them a quick good look, right? Just like we do on our makeups and we get our makeup artists. It's just the same. Nails were something that were, underestimated a long ago, but now nails are like, they just makes the head flips when it comes to art. And guys, make sure to try them on, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. Thank you so much.